Welcome to another Tech Tuesday. Tech Tuesdays are brought to you by NMDelt, a professional learning project by Propel. This is our last installment to our Google Sites series. This video will talk about the last update before publishing a site, adding collaborators to review the site, and finally, publishing a site. Now that all the content has been added in, the last thing to add is a site name. The site name can be added where it shows the logo and at the top next to the Google Sites icon. This is important for two reasons. First, it helps people know which page they are navigating. Second, it helps organize all the Google Sites on the Google Sites homepage and to know which site you have created. To have people review your site before launching it, you can click on the icon of a person with a plus next to it. Here you can add people and change the kind of access they have to the site. When you add the person or people, you will see a drop-down option next to their name. Publish View means they will see the site as it looks like as in its published form. They cannot change it. They only have access to view it. Editor gives them full access to change and modify anything on the site. The last option is adding an expiration. This is helpful if you have a deadline involved or if you simply want or need access to be limited. To notify a person, make sure the box is selected and you can send a note with the notification email. If you are wanting to share and review with a group of people and don't want to add them individually, you can always send a link under the General Access tab. The draft can be restricted, which means it is unpublished and only accessible to the creator. NMDelt option would allow anyone with an NMDelt account to access only, and they would need to sign into their NMDelt account. The last option is to allow anyone with the link to view. This is important to note. The collaborator has two options. Under General Access, which is having a draft, and Published Site. For editing, you want to make sure that you are navigating the General Access Draft button. Publishing your website has a couple of steps. To begin, create a web address that is unique for you. Notice how below where the text box is being typed, it is creating a URL. This is the website that will be shared when you have officially published your site. Google will let you know if a name is available or not. You can also change who has access to the site by managing the access to restricted, meaning no one can see it, NMDelt, which means people have to log in to their NMDelt to see the site, or public, which allows anyone on the internet to see it. Removing the link is so that it's no longer attached and the website becomes unpublished. When all the settings have been updated, hit publish. Your site is now live. Now, what if you want to make changes to a live site? You do not need to restrict access to do this. Simply make your changes, select Publish, and it will take you to a review page where you can see the changes before making the changes public. Selecting Publish will automatically update your site.